If your church holds a CCLI license, 2 jobs come around again and again: getting new songs into your library legally and telling CCLI which songs you actually used. ZionWorx now handles both directly without leaving the program. First, we'll look at song import, then song reporting. When you start an import, ZionWorx opens Song Select right here inside the application. And if it already knows the title you're after, it runs the search for you. First, it checks that you're properly signed in. If you're not, it sends you to the CCLI login and brings you straight back to your search afterwards. You only sign in once. When you found your song, you bring it in using Song Select's own option, the one that CCLI provides. ZionWorx is watching for that, and the moment you copy, it imports the song automatically. Lyrics, authors, copyright, and CCLI number all filled in. We built it this way on purpose. That copy action is the event CCLI records as part of your license, so routing every import through it keeps you fully compliant. It's one small click, and it's the click that keeps everything above board. And that's the whole import. Find it, copy it, done. Song reporting is where ZionWorx really saves time. You start from a playlist, and ZionWorx checks each song against CCLI records, working out whether it can be reported, needs a decision from you, or should be left out. That takes just a few seconds. When it's finished, you get a tidy summary of your playlist sorted into groups. Once you understand these 3 groups, the whole feature makes sense. The green group in the middle is ready to report. These are the songs that ZionWorx match to CCLI cleanly. Each shows its CCLI number, title, and authors. There's nothing to do here. They're lined up and waiting to be sent. At the bottom, in grey, is won't report. These songs ZionWorx has set aside, each with its reason. Some are public domain, like an old hymn which won't need reporting. Others are already reported in the same day, or a duplicate of another song in the playlist. Nothing here is an error. It's the system showing it's working, so you can see nothing's been forgotten or double counted. The group at the top, in red, is needs attention, the only group that asks anything of you. A song lands here when ZionWorx couldn't confidently match it. Maybe it's missing a CCLI number, or a lookup didn't come back clear. Each row has a green fix button and a red ignore button. And while any song sits here undecided, the report button stays switched off. You can see the message, fix or ignore the songs needed for attention. That means you can never accidentally send a half-finished song. Click fix, and ZionWorx switches to Song Select and searches for the song by title. Your job is to find the right one in the results. As you land on it, ZionWorx picks up its CCLI number live and drops it back here in blue, and the blue match button lights up. Click match, and the song confirms against CCLI and moves up into ready to report. And here's the bonus. ZionWorx writes that number back into your library, so this song is fixed for good and never bothers you again. If you change your mind, there's always a cancel option. Sometimes a song simply shouldn't go to CCLI, or you don't want to deal with it right now. That's the red ignore button. It drops the song out of this report and down into won't report. Ignore only applies to this one report. You're not deleting anything or changing your library. Once nothing needs attention, the red group is gone, the footer reads ready to report now, and the blue button lights up, telling you exactly what it'll do. That's it. There's no extra dialogue. ZionWorx has already checked everything's resolved and you're already signed in, so one click sends every song in the green group to CCLI. When it's done, it confirms the count and drops you into your CCLI reporting history, so you can see the songs listed with today's date confirmed on CCLI's own site. The button now reads finish, and clicking it closes the panel. And that's the whole picture. Import brings songs through Song Select the right way, keeping your license actively logged in. And reporting sorts your playlist into what's ready, what needs a decision, and what to leave alone. Sign in once, and ZionWorx keeps your reporting accurate with barely any effort. Thanks again, and God bless.